At some point, I believe, you usually get tired of tapping your phone. It's not even safe for the screen. Well, congratulations for seeing this video, because in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get your maximum daily clicks without manually tapping your phone. To achieve this, you go to your Play Store, then search for Auto Clicker. Auto Clicker. This is Auto Clicker. Open Auto Clicker. There are several Auto Clickers, but this is the one that I have used and I trust. This Auto Clicker, this one here. So you click on it, download it, and install it to your phone. I have already downloaded it, and so it's already there. So open your Auto Clicker. Now there is single target mode and multi-target mode. Multi-target mode is the best for tapping. Now click on enable. I have done some other configurations like for Notecoin and another one. So, but for if you're a first timer, you won't have all of this. You will see only new configuration. Click on new configuration. Now, you will see this plus sign. Click on the plus. If you're clicking on the plus, it will be giving you new like fingers. It will be giving you new fingers for tapping. That is one, a second one, third, fourth, fifth. So you spread them like that. Now minimize and open your Hamster, Combat, or any of the platforms you're using to tap. So what you need to do is to adjust these clicks. Let them fill the screen or the area of tapping. This is 5. Let me increase it to maybe 7 or 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll still get them like this. All right, this is okay for me. You may decide to save this, give it a name, or just leave it this way. But anytime you want to still tap, you will just go there, click on the configuration, and then you press this play. This is the play. Once you press this play, it will start clicking for you. Watch what will happen. Play. It's clicking. $1,000 in a few minutes without you manually tapping your phone screen. So while you're working and doing your normal job, Auto Clicker is clicking for you. While you're sleeping, it's clicking for you. While you don't have its time, it's clicking for you. This is beautiful. Now, if you're done doing all the taps you want to tap, or you want to do any other thing using your phone, stop it. Just click on this. Click on it to stop. If not, if you go to any other place, or if you leave here too, the Auto Clicker will continue to operate your phone. So you wouldn't want that. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to expose you to many more things. And also don't forget to share this video so that your friends will also get to know this secret.